Hey, what's up, guys? You know, with all the craziness going on, things are getting canceled. We are still working, but you know, our last video was about the NSX and how we were gonna go to Radwood, the 90s car show, and all that stuff. But those got canceled, so we decided to take some sweet 90s Radwood type photos of the cars last night. And the intention wasn't to do anything super crazy with it. We were just kind of bored and thought it might be fun. But now it's turned into a pissing contest. And we're gonna see who gets the best photo, and I'm gonna let you guys judge it. Let's see who wins. How you feel about your picture there, T-Dog?
I feel good. You know why I feel good? Because it's already done.
I haven't even looked at my memory card yet.
My other picture's on that memory card right there.
Oh, well then you can't finish till I give you the memory card.
Yeah. But my first one's so good I don't need that second one.
Oh! Challenge accepted, sir. See, what Travis doesn't know is I've got a secret weapon. We're gonna win. All right, so I've got a bunch of my photos loaded here into Lightroom, and some of these I was just messing around trying to get composition, and but this is not gonna be like an in-depth Lightroom Photoshop tutorial by any means. I'm just going to kind of probably time-lapse the edit and bring in my secret weapon for some final touches potentially. But anyways, this is like, you know, messing around with composition. This is gonna be like a layered image, so we're gonna paint in different sections of different images so that we can get some of these different colors. So what I was going for, and I didn't really like the color of some of these pinks so much, but like this lighter, brighter pink on this is money. Like I'm going for a 90s vibe here. So this is like 90s shoot off. So I really like this shot for the backlighting and the top of the car. And then what I did was started lighting the front side of the car that's facing the camera with some blue. I like this one right here. It's a nice soft light kind of hitting the wheel. It's not too harsh. Like, let me show you an example of one that was like a little aggressive. Like this one, for example, is just super aggressive right here on the center of the wheel. So not really a big fan of that. Want to go something a little more soft. And then I have another one that highlights the air scoop and all this stuff kind of right here, so it doesn't just fall into black. This one again was just a little bit harsh here on the wheel and not enough going on the back of the car. So I'm going to use just the scoop and probably the door and the side skirt out of this photo, and then the wheel and the back of the car and the floor from the other one. Blend those together a little bit, use the pink from this one, and that'll be one of the images. I have another image that's a way cooler composition in my opinion, so I'll probably use this as the main image with the same sort of concept, the pink and blue, pure like 90s awesome sauce. And I'll use some blue on the coming from the left side from, I don't know, probably from this image and maybe a couple other ones because there's some windshield reflections in some of these I want to try to get rid of. And then I need some of the ground out of this one. So that's the plan. I'm gonna rush through this. I'll show you guys the final edit and let you guys decide on who wins this competition. That is it for image number one. Ended up not calling in Will. He's busy doing other stuff. It's okay, it's not my favorite. I didn't love taking this photo actually. I really wasn't into it, but Travis was like, dude, do it. All right, on to the next one. All right, guys, I just wrapped up with the edit on my photos. I ended up with the second photo not the one that I started with because it wasn't going anywhere. I wasn't happy with it. And I couldn't get my Ninja Will to come help me out. Travis said I was cheating if I did that. But these are up. I want to know what you guys think about them. I want you to vote on which one of these 2 photos that Travis and I took and, you know, respectively edited. This is Travis's photo here. And this is my photo. I would love to know which one you guys think looks better. I want you to leave your votes in the comments. They are on Instagram currently as a poll. These are the results from that. So let us know what you think. One of us is gonna win, one of us is gonna lose.
Me. Because you know what? If you ain't first, you're last.
Are you wearing that today? Well, it's only a 2-man competition, so yeah. I'm not overly confident in mine. His is really, really good. His is pretty impressive. Guys, that's it. I hope this video entertained you a little bit while you're sitting at home with nothing to do. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.